What's up, guys, and aloha from Hawaii. My name is Jeremy.
I'm Bree. We actually go to the University of Wyoming, but we are exchange students here in Hawaii at UH Manoa.
So we're making this video because we want to be selected for the NSC Vloggers program. We think that we would be a good selection because we already make weekly vlogs that come out every Sunday, and we document our time here in Hawaii. We go to beaches, we go on a lot of hikes, we go to a lot of restaurants, we eat a lot of the local food, and we kind of just show the everyday life here in Honolulu, and we document that and produce a video every week.
We like to think we produce pretty high quality vlogs.
And because of this, our YouTube channel has been growing pretty continuously for the last few months.
So we're a perfect fit for this vlogging position that has been offered from NSC.
Yes. So thank you for considering us, and we hope you select us, and mahalo.